Hey guys, George here, and we are doing another review of something. Yeah, today I'm doing a Swiss Army knife. My first one, so I'm kind of happy about it. So here it is, and it looks epic. First one is a very cool. Oh god, is a very cool, nicey stabby thingy bit, and the other bit is a knifey stabby machete thingy bit. The other bit is a clippy toenail thingy. I clip you to death. Wait, I have to try. Subscribe for the monkey with the knife. You'll get you. Subscribe for the monkey with the Dumb. Okay. Yeah, guess it's just now onto the test. So, let's use some more Paradise Wildlife card thing I found to test this out. So here's the Paradise. Now we're gonna clip it, clip, clip, and it killed it. Okay, I'm kind of hit. I know you guys are probably here just to watch me do some slashing and dashing. So first blade I'm gonna use will be this one. So right now I'm just cutting through the paper. Okay, almost done. There's about all I'm gonna be. Wait, okay, a bit more. So I won't chop it any further, but here's what I managed to do. So, you can see where it's a complete chop. I'll carry on. Oh, I don't want to start doing the knife game song. Whew. I was cutting off. So guys, look, you got all of that. So let's do the last bit. And hey, perfect two pieces cut up. So yeah, the little chain is also good for hanging cool little unnecessary monkeys with bananas on it. So let me just keep it still. Little monkey with banana. See, it's a monkey with banana. So you can be out on your hunt with a monkey with a banana. So anyway guys, that was like the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you later. Goodbye.